so Jordan is running back to grab some stuff from the house to work on the front box. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to start pulling pinstripe on the side of the camper. So I grabbed a heat gun, and then this is our heat gun here. And then I grabbed a plastic putty scraper because I didn't want to really like scrape up the whole side. So this is actually coming off a lot easier than I was planning on. Using the heat gun just kind of has been stretching out the vinyl pinstripe, so I've kind of stopped using that, and I've just been getting it started with the plastic putty knife, and then just kind of slowly trying to pull, because it is starting to kind of like split. So if I like pull too far away, yeah, like that. So it'll split like that. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's actually coming off super easy even without the heat gun. This one might need a heat gun just because I think this is a little bit of a thicker vinyl. Like that one too. Maybe even the Utah, but that might just come off really easily. But as of right now, I mean, like, it's actually coming off really well. I already got the green one off. And I haven't gone all the way back, and obviously I still have to do the other side, but it's not too bad so far.
Yeah, I guess I left the wood in the truck in the saw. I brought the sawhorses, so I was thinking.
Almost done with one side of removing pinstriping.
Excited. Are you gonna hit with some wall cleaners, see if you can make some of the stripes from the sun fade?
Pinstripe removal / everything else removal is done. I'm still working on the box. All done over here too?
It's not even hot out.
No?
No.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.